Hello friends, in today's video I am showing Sunnundalu or black urad dal laddu, which is very healthy and nutritious for all age group. For this we need black gram urad dal 1 cup and jaggery powder. You can take the normal jaggery also 1 cup, organic ghee 1 small cup, and a mix of sugar and cardamom powder. I have taken 3 tablespoons of sugar and 6 to 7 cardamoms and made a powder. So these are the ingredients we needed. I will share all the health benefits while preparation. So stay tuned, and if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for all the updates. Take the iron kadai and add this urad dal. Stir fry for 10 to 15 minutes until it turns golden color. So don't burn it because you have to keep stir and fry it till it turns the golden color. And while you are stir frying, the smell is so amazing. Black urad dal is very rich in nutrition because it has a lot of minerals like sodium, potassium, protein, calcium, iron. Lot of good nutrient values are available in this. So it is very good for kids, adults, especially in the winter season. If you prepare this laddu, you really get a lot of health benefits, and especially if somebody is having bone mineral deficiencies, it is one of the best to suggest. That's why it is suits for all age groups, for the kids and adults, and also people who are suffering with arthritis issues also. It's one of the best. So once it is cooled down, make the powder, make a fine powder. For this 1 cup of powder, add 1 cup of jaggery. I am adding 1 cup, but a little bit extra I'm keeping it separate because already we are taking sugar with the cardamom powder. So that's why keep it little extra aside. If it is needed, if you want more sweetener, you can add. That's why I've kept little aside. So if you require, you can add. So again grind it and make a powder. So this is how it looks. So take it in a different container, add the cardamom powder to it. So it's one of the best if somebody is having bone mineral density, and the best thing is it boosts the energy because of its iron. Also it's one of the best for the skin and also reduces the pain, especially arthritis and osteoporosis. If somebody is having, it reduces the pain because anybody is having inflammation issues, it reduces the pain because it is providing good calcium and iron levels. It is good for heart, good for reducing the cholesterol. Also it is one of the best for the skin and hair also. So to this powder add the organic ghee. So add this ghee little by little, and once all the ingredients are mixed properly, try to make the laddu. So I'm adding the ghee little by little so that all the ingredients will be mixed properly. So this you can store also because it increases the energy levels, and even diabetic patients also can take this. Even for the kids, they really love it, and it is one of the best nutritious food to give it to them, because the children, especially the age, their bone density will be increasing when they are in the younger age. Even for the adults and all age groups, it suits very well. You can see how delicious and tasty it is. So this you can because we already fried all these things, that's the reason you can keep it and store in the refrigerator. It stays for a longer time. So I have garnished with the cashew nuts on the top, so it looks amazingly delicious. Also it has a good fiber which is very good for the sugar levels and also proper digestion. So prepare yourself and be healthy.